Most of the time, ellipsis marks consist of 3 periods. Dot, dot, dot. Or rather, dot space, dot space, dot. But sometimes writers use 4 dots instead of 3. This is done for a very specific reason. It means that words have been left out from the end of a sentence. For example, my friend, the farmer and poet Wendell Berry once explained that fidelity means making a commitment and never giving up. He said, and I quote, "If you hang on, you'll see your way through whatever it is that's difficult. Out of the impasse, something will come that you'll be glad to know." The original sentence went on to say that there's going to be a reward. Here, the ellipsis shows that I've left something out, while the final period shows the end of that sentence.